Hi, I'm Sheila. I'm here with my 4-year-old niece, Savia.
Hi!
Today, we're going to learn all about the bedroom in Bisaya. Are you ready?
Let's begin.
Bedroom, kwarto.
Cuarto,
Bed, kama.
cama,
Pillow, unlan.
ulan,
Blanket, habol.
habol,
Mattress, kutson.
kutsun,
Light, suga.
suga,
Closet, aparador.
aparador,
Clothes, sinina.
senina,
Laundry, labhunon.
labhunon,
Mirror, salamin.
salamin,
Jewelry, alahas.
alahas,
Comb, sudlay.
sulay,
Perfume, pahumot.
pahumot,
Clock, relo.
reyo,
Toys, dulaan.
dulaan,
Yon, huyab.
huyab,
Sleep, tulog.
tulog,
Dream, damgo.
damgo,
Snore, hagok.
hagok,
Wake up, mata.
mata. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe. Bye bye.